Realtor.com just released their housing market forecast for 2026. Gerri Willis is here with me. Gerri, do they see affordability improving at all next year?
A little bit. Okay, we're going to have better inventory, lower mortgage rates, but, you know, it's not going to be fabulous.
Okay.
Here are the details. After a bruising year that saw the housing market sink to 30-year lows, the forecast for 2026 is for slow recovery and improving fundamentals. Listen.
The Realtor.com housing forecast tells us that we can expect some growth in home sales in 2026, powered by somewhat lower mortgage rates, which make buying a home slightly more affordable than it has been. We're talking about marginal improvements, not a big takeoff for the housing market.
And good news for mortgage rates. Realtor.com sees mortgage rates falling to 6.3% from an average of 6.6% last year on the end of quantitative easing by the Fed and slowing economic growth. Home prices will continue to rise by 2.2%, but get this, accounting for inflation, prices will actually fall. As a comparison, home prices were up 2% last year. Altogether, affordability will improve, making 2026 the first year in 3 in which average monthly payments will slip below 30% of median income. Now, though the list of top price-gaining cities is sprinkled with some of the usual names like New York, Washington, each of those forecast to log 5% gains. They're also joined by a long list of blue-collar cities making their way onto the list of price gainers. Albany, Cleveland, Indianapolis, and Rochester will all see gains of more than 5%. Rochester homes will sell for 10.3% more year over year. Biggest losers, a string of Florida cities, including Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Sarasota, and Bradenton. Notably, these cities were in the path of last year's Hurricane Helene. Inventory is a critical piece of the equation. Will deepen this year with active listings up 8.9% for a third year of inventory gains. And finally, some good news for renters. Realtor.com sees rents easing 1%. Those prices will fall the most in the South and the West, where Stewart, construction has been the strongest.
Well, it's not that bad, is it? There's a glimmer of hope out there.
It's a definite, very much a glimmer.
We can take, no, okay.
Okay, it's bright.
Glimmer on,
the
maybe I
sun
like it.
is shining on housing, Stuart, Varney.